Use the Pythagorean theorem. In any right triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side, and it sits opposite the right angle. Easy level, the legs are 3 and 4. We need the hypotenuse. Square both legs and add them. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 25. Now take the square root. The hypotenuse is 5. Moderate level, the hypotenuse is 13, and one leg is 5. Find the missing leg. When the hypotenuse is given, subtract the leg square. 13 squared minus 5 squared equals 144. Square root of 144 is 12. So the other leg is 12. Difficult level, the hypotenuse is 25, and one leg is 7. Find the other leg. Use the same idea, 25 squared minus 7 squared equals 576. Square root of 576 is 24. So the missing leg is 24. Application: a ladder is 6 meters from the wall and reaches 8 meters up. Find the ladder length. Think of it as a right triangle. Ground is 6, wall height is 8, ladder is the hypotenuse. 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 100, so the ladder is 10 meters. Final application: a pole is 12 meters tall, and the wire is anchored 5 meters away. Find the wire length. Again, it's a right triangle, 12 and 5 are the legs, and the wire is the hypotenuse. 12 squared plus 5 squared equals 169, so the wire length is 13 meters.
Do you like it? Subscribe.